Hi fam, in this episode of DIY Friday, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make tint lip scrub and moisturizer. For our key ingredients, we're going to be using honey, sugar, which is the base for this scrub. We're also going to be using coconut oil or any oil that you have around. We are also going to be making use of shea butter, food coloring, or you can also use beetroot. You can use Vaseline in place of shea butter if you don't have any shea butter around. For the lip scrub, I'm going to be taking out 2 spoons of sugar and a spoon of shea butter. I'm going to be mixing these together. Just make sure you mix them thoroughly to avoid any lump. It might take a bit of a time, but it will definitely mix very well. Like I said earlier, you can also use Vaseline in place of shea butter if you do not have any shea butter around, or you can just use Vaseline. Whichever option you choose to go with will still give you the same result. Just make sure that whichever option you are using, it has to be original, either original shea butter or original Vaseline. Blue seal Vaseline, very important. Now I'm going to be adding my honey, a tablespoon of honey. So for the tint, I got a food color, which I got in red. But for my next one, I'll be trying out a pink shade. But if you don't have any food coloring, that is totally fine. You can get beetroot. And for this color, I mixed this with a bit of coconut oil to dissolve the color before adding it into the scrub. Mix this thoroughly, and yes, you have your tinted lip scrub. Store this into a container and keep in a cool place. Yeah, this is very easy to make, and the ingredients are very easy to come by. So for the lip moisturizer, we are going to be taking out a spoon of Vaseline. We'll also add just the same quantity as the Vaseline of shea butter. Place this either in a very hot water or in a boiling water and allow it to dissolve thoroughly. And after that, just add in your already mixed color and mix thoroughly. And there you have it. Your lips moisturizer is ready. Easy, right? I know. Let me know if you'll be trying my recipe, and let me know the outcome in the comment section. I'll be showing you guys how I use this on my lip, and I really loved the outcome. In fact, everybody around me has been using this and I can see the results, and it's just barely 3 days and I'm already seeing the color popping. So for the lip scrub, I applied this on my lips and I left this to sit for some minutes before washing it out. Just make sure that if you're using it during the day, you have to use a lip balm that has SPF. So I would recommend using this during the night. But for the lip moisturizer, you can use it any day, anytime. And of course, this is my first time of trying this and I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and the DIY videos you want me to be coming up with next Friday. Until then, see you guys in my next vlogs and videos. Bye.